friends, today we are going to see how exactly a program has to be written using a computer language called as C language. Any mathematical task which has to be implemented by the system has to be written as per the language which it can understand. When I am communicating with you, I am speaking a language called as English. Hence, you are able to understand all the words which you are able to understand, which you are able to listen, which you are able to communicate, which you are able to synthesize the words. But when I am supposed to get this particular things carried out by a system, I had to make these words understandable to the computer. For that, I had to speak with a language which the system can understand. Now, system can understand many languages. C, C++, Basic, COBOL, Fortran, Pascal, and so on and so on and so on. In that, let's see how do I write a program using a C language. Basically, when I say a program is a simple mathematical task. That mathematical task need to be implemented as per the rules of a language. In this session, we are going to see how exactly an entire program has to be written. Before we write a program, there has to be some basic learning process. When I say a language will have definite syntax. We are supposed to learn the syntax of this particular language. Let's understand what are the basic blocks of learning a C language. Now, when I say this, these are the various blocks of learning C language. The ultimate destination or the aim of learning this language is to write something called as a program. The program is nothing but a collection of instructions. Your instructions are nothing but a collection of constants, variables, and keywords. These constants, variables, and keywords are nothing but a collection of character set. If I were to make an analogy of this computer language with a language called as English, the main aim of learning the English language was to say something about an object in a paragraph format. So the destination or the aim of learning that language was something called as a paragraph, which can be made as a comparison with program of our mathematical task. But on a day one, no one taught us directly a paragraph. There were some basic blocks which were told to us before we wrote or said a paragraph about an object. In the early days, in our early childhood life, we were taught about the slanting lines, standing lines, sleeping lines, which were used to construct the various alphabets. The alphabets can be made as an analogy to the character set. The alphabets were combined or merged to form some meaningful words. Those words can be compared as constants, variables, and keywords. These words were later on combined or grouped to form something called as sentences, which can be compared with instructions. The sentences which were called as instructions were later on grouped to form something called as a paragraph. So the basic learning process of English language was about alphabets, that is character set of our C language, words, that is constants, variables, and keywords. These words were framed into sentences which are instructions, and these instructions are nothing but programs which were said to be a paragraph. But if I have a set of sentences, I can't write a meaningful paragraph unless until I know the grammar of arranging these instructions or sentences into a meaningful paragraph. Today, we are going to learn this grammar of combining each of these blocks. Grammar is a generalized word which is said for an English language learning process. Now, in this C language, we will be writing something called as syntax of writing instructions to program, syntax of writing instructions using constants, variables, and keywords, and syntax of using character set into these constants, variable, keywords. Basically, when I say syntax, that can be made as a comparison to grammar. So, our aim of learning this language is to write something called as a program. These are the various building blocks. Let me revise it one more time. So, the basic block of C language learning process begins with the character set of this entire language. What are the various characters which I am going to use in the entire part? These characters how do I merge them to form something called as constants, variables and keywords. These constants, variables and keywords are later on merged with something called as instructions, and these instructions will be definitely written in a specific order to frame our mathematical task, that is a program. And in the middle of these learning process, we'll be learning the grammar of each and every syntax. That's it. Thank you.